Hello there and welcome to my channel. This is Forlitz with Forlitz Sky Arts and Architecture. Welcome to the fourth episode of how to build my own ADU. In this video, I thought I would share exactly how I sketch the elevations of my ADU floor plan and show you how I think about the design. Once you understand the couple of key concepts, I think you'll find it easy to follow my design. Sounds good? Okay, let's get into it. I happen to use the Virtual Architect Platinum software to plot the floor plan I sketched from last episode. You can do this with any tool you have on hand, pen, pencil, whatever you choose. I believe that you do not need to buy expensive software to create drawings. Let's go back to basic of manual drafting and sketching. That was my practice before. First, plot the exterior walls according to the floor plan dimensions. Now, plot the interior walls to define the relations of each specific rooms. Let's define and plot each exterior and interior doors and specify each of their sizes. Followed by allocating windows according to my floor plan. At this moment, I'm not worried about the sizes of the windows yet. I can specify that later. Now let's put the cabinetry to lay out our kitchen. At this stage, you may specify the sizes of sink, stove, and refrigerator to be able for you to figure out if they will fit in a small space without sacrificing the function of your design. Then, let's specify the sizes and type of each windows. Here you go. Label of each room has been placed and I'm good to go. The purpose of plotting my design into this software is to ensure that the space I provided for each room makes sense. The fixtures and furnitures in this software is measured to the standard, so using the software is a big help to ensure that my final floor plan layout would work. So here's the final sketch and here's the result of my floor plotting on CAD. Let's work on the elevations. The design is simple, aesthetic, traditional, and sort of barn cottage design, at least for my studio. I want to make this as a simple shape. Once we have the floor plan set and know the factors around it, next step is to develop the roof line. When designing the elevations, which is what you are looking at here, we need to think about the roof design to figure out that the roof line that would be reflecting in the elevations. In this sketch, I have come up with two options with two different roof lines. You see the big difference it will make just from changing one roof line to the other? I picked option 1. It is simple and more cottage looking design than the option 2. The problem with option 2 are the following. Number 1, the height of the building may be over 16 feet, which is required maximum height for ADU. Number 2, it looks bulky and awkward and may block majority of my current mountain view. And number 3, it doesn't accomplish the cottage-looking design. Since I have settled for option number 1, I started sketching the final design of all 4 elevations. Once I plotted the corresponding windows and doors, then I colored my drawings using the Prisma Pentel pens. I put some landscaping on each side of each elevations to have an idea of what it would look like with landscaping. And that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoy my video and see you next time. Please subscribe to my channel, the Forlitz's Arts and Architecture. Thanks for watching.